Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keyboard missing or not showing. Have you ever seen in a situation where you needed to type something on your iPhone or iPad but the keyboard disappeared? This can be annoying, especially if you are in a hurry. There are a handful of reasons why the iPhone keyboard might be missing or not showing up, but worry not. In this video I'll help you find the exact cause of this issue and show you quick ways to fix it. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is disconnect any Bluetooth keyboards on iPhone. For this, open Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Bluetooth and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off. And if any keyboard is connected to your iPhone, then tap forget this device to disconnect the Bluetooth keyboard and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is tap the text input area multiple times. When your iPhone keyboard is not popping up, simply tapping the text input area multiple times may fix the issue. It will signal the system that you want to start typing and trigger the keyboard to appear. If you are unable to tap the text area on the keyboard, close itself automatically after some time. Maybe your iPhone touch screen is facing obstructions and you are done. And the next step is disable the reachability feature on iPhone. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and go to Accessibility. Now select Touch, then toggle off reachability and you are done. And the next step is turn off one-handed keyboard on iPhone. We go to Settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down and then tap on Keyboard. Next, tap on one-handed keyboard and then select Off and you are done. And the next step is relaunch the app that is facing issues. For this, swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Swipe up the app window to force close it and you are done. And the next step is switch to the default Apple keyboard on your iPhone. Open the messaging app or any other app that uses keyboard. And then tap and hold the globe on the keyboard. And next, select English or the default language from the menu and you are done. And the next step is disable all third-party keyboards on iPhone. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and then go to General. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Keyboard and then tap on Keyboards at the top. From here, tap on Edit button, tap on minus icon besides the third-party keyboard and then tap on Delete. Remove the third-party keyboard on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is delete and re-add the keyboard on iPhone. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Keyboards and then tap on Keyboards at the top. To add keyboard, tap Add New Keyboard and select a keyboard you want to add and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone's keyboard dictionary. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. From here, tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset keyboard dictionary and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone keyboard missing or not showing, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.